Canterbury Trails Farm, and this is just a quick video with a helpful hint on how to refill those little flower type air fresheners that have like a cotton wick inside. Air freshener companies sell these things. They're like $16.99 for this little glass thing with a flower on the top. And when you're done with them, what do? You just throw them away, right? $16.99 in the trash. Don't do that. You want to head to like the Dollar General, Big Lots, Dollar Store, and just pick up some sort of, probably the grocery store, a bottle of liquid potpourri. This cost me $3. I use it for all kinds of things. When this is done, make sure you pick a potpourri that's complementary to the original one, because the original oils and air freshener will still be in the flower. So this one was like a cinnamon sort of scented one to begin with. So I picked apple and cinnamon. You just fill it up, put your flower back in, and there you go. $3. So, and this $3 for the whole thing. So I go around and I refill all the ones in the house, and I can continue to use them. And you can continue to use them until the flowers will eventually start breaking down. They're made out of this like sort of balsa wood, and I have another video where I'm going to show you how to make them homemade yourself. But this one I actually bought from an actual company. So it's just like a wood, and it absorbs it, and if you touch it, it'll get on you. Another thing, you can also use this potpourri if you have like the ones that plug in. Anything that has a cotton wick, you can pop off, use a fork or a butter knife to pop off the little top on those ones that plug in. If they turn upside down, they have a cotton wick and they plug in. Just look at them, pop it off, and you can refill it, and you can pop that thing back on. I have some pictures. I don't have one to do it with to show you, but I do have some pictures, so I'll post the pictures when I put this video up. There you go. So that's a quick way to reuse those air fresheners with the flowers, so you don't have to just chunk them, and you can keep them out of the landfill a lot longer.